Another day, another dollar. Now we hungry for some bread, so let's get straight into it. So today we have news at half two, and I've been waiting for a setup, right? So there's two possibilities. Of course, there's only one of two things that can happen: either the market buys or sells. But for what I'm looking at right now, look at this. So there's this. Let me check this out. Okay. So basically, on the 4 hour, right? I was waiting to see if the market. Okay, here it closed above. So I'm quite unsure. So I'm pretty sure the market could buy from that level, right? From where it is right now. So bringing it back to the extreme order block, it will be this one. I'm waiting for the market to come within this zone so that we can buy for news. But then if you go on the daily time frame though, it swept the previous daily high. So meaning we could potentially target the previous daily low, yesterday's low. We could target yesterday's low. You see? That's what I'm seeing. Also, if I show you this, there's this thing I mentioned yesterday. Look at this. Let me zoom out a bit. Which one is it? Just give me a second. Right? Okay, there. Where it could be a potential resistant level, right? Like there. Right? And then making this the order block it's reacting to. Therefore, it has created that. So this will be an early end. It will be a very early end, given that the market sells. That's what I'm saying. That would mean you are targeting these lows then, if that happens. You see, and here we have a resistant level right here. So I want to see what happens today. I think there's a big sell coming because this trend line was broken, man. It was broken, right? So that's like, it's like what I want to see. And you know, there's another thing. There's no way gold will buy throughout the whole week. I doubt. Not throughout the whole week. So tomorrow and tomorrow is Friday, right? Tomorrow is CPI. Trust me, gold is selling. I'm saying it right now. Gold is selling. I'm saying it right now. Anyway, this will be an early entry, bro. We catch it from here, from this OB right here, and we target these lows. It will be a very early entry. That's what I'm seeing. I think tomorrow is going to sell. Also based off of this, I see a breakout and retest. And if I saw another one, right? I saw this one too. Look, this is what I saw. Okay, basically, so if you do this, you will see that this trend line was alright. Okay, so okay, cool. We there as well. We also have a breakout and retest, but I think it's a fake out. Why? Compare this breakout and retest to this one, breakout and retest. Do you see how big and impulsive this one is compared to this one? That's why I'm saying the market could potentially sell from right where we are right now. Like a strong sale. A very strong one. So I'm curious to see what happens. Let's give it a second. So let's see. I'll come back and I'll update you guys on the movement. Okay, I think I've explained enough, right? So I just entered a trade short. So like as you can see, like I mentioned right there, on the daily time frame, we've just swept previous daily highs, right? And that is a breakout and retest. I'm expecting the market to short right now, right? Targeting these lows, all of these lows, all the way down there, right? It's an early entry, man. It's so crazy. So what I have is the way I entered. Let me use the mouse. I caught it early. If it is going to sell, so here we have an inverse, right? So let's see. That's an inverse right there, and the trade is already in. So it's like that. So that's the trade right now. And obviously, we have to target the previous daily low. So 1:5, and then I'll close one right here, and then let the other one run all the way down there. All the way down there. We have CPI NFP tomorrow, man. We have NFP tomorrow. This might get swept, but get all the way violated. All this is just liquidity at this point. Breakout retest, we could get another breakout right here. That's what we need to see. And on another chart, I was waiting for gold to buy, for example, right there. So I want to see something. Yeah, there. So I also placed the buy limit. So it doesn't matter what it does. It could do this. Or just sell. But with the way it is, and I think gold is actually going to sell other than buy, but you can never be too sure. So we are going to wait and find out. So let's see what happens. It will be so interesting if it sells, bro. That'll be actually sold. It'll be insane. But you can see this trend is dying out, though. Look, how many taps do we have there? Young girl don't want that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make this man fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Waiting for the keep me a stick if they purge. This is going to get bad. Trust me. They working my nerves. I'm about to pause for service. This was the fake out showing smack from the back of a perm. This was the fake out. The bird. You know, all you little turds. Can't take that but you turn. Trust me. In my own lane we can't merge. So no headers you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Bro, me go big like the worm. And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in it, repeat it. One, I love my this pretty, they showing it. This up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on the bed. I'ma get down to the gritty, then got the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see them whole precision. Givers my only listen. Young girl don't want that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make this man fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Target right there. That's it. What? Let's see what happens. All this has to be swept, bro. See it, all this. All that just needs all this. If I do it like that, I have to be targeting the previous week's low, which is this one. Like this. These two lows are vital right now. I'm seeing a drop, bro. I'm seeing a drop, bro. Trust me. I am seeing a drop. Ooh, this might be a nice trade, bro. Do you have a favorite cap on the one now? Okay, there's another one still to open. Ooh, okay. Okay, gents, I'll come back. I'll come back after half two, after seeing what happens here. Oh, but I'm seeing a short, bro. What? Shit. I'm seeing a short for real. I'll come back at half two and see what's up. It's currently 8 p.m. right now. Like 6 minutes to 9. The market just bought, bro. Didn't come back to retrace to our zone. The zone we're waiting for. So that's it for today, man. Shit. Made like a $30 move from our entry point. Maybe something caught in my eye. Alright, so come back tomorrow 9 a.m. Be on watch. Shit. But tomorrow it's CPI, man. I think gold is going to sell. Well, from what I know, gold, cause it's rare for you to just buy throughout the whole week. From Monday till Friday, buying. That's a stretch. That is a big stretch. That is a big stretch. So we'll see. Tomorrow I'm sure it's just definite sales, bro. It's just definite sales. But of course we'll have to wait for confluences in the 15-minute time frame. But for now, we'll just keep that as a mental note that gold, you should be just expecting gold to make some movement that might give us selling opportunity. That's just how it works. Gold won't buy throughout the whole week. Even if the buy is small, the sell is going to be small tomorrow, but it just won't buy the whole week. It could have moved $100 this week to the upside, right? Yeah, it could have moved even 100, but it will retrace even 20 back down on Friday. Okay, so let's just wait on that and let's see what happens. So come back tomorrow, another day, another dollar, and we're definitely gonna get some bread.